Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thanks for hopping back into another video. Awesome to see the growth of the channel. Thanks to all the new supporters and the existing supporters as well. Nearly 1,400 subscribers, really cool to see. Today we're going to look at a new project on the channel. This is Osmosis, so it's similar to PancakeSwap. It's really got quite a high market cap as well, and I think it's one that's worth potentially taking a look at. Quite interesting price action on this particular project. It's an automated market maker where the smart contracts allow liquidity and staking, etc. And you can also use it as a decentralized trading platform, as you can see here. You can trade lots of different DeFi projects across their ecosystem, and it's very similar to PancakeSwap. We can also explore some of their pools right here. You can see they've got staking opportunities. I mean, look at the native token, Atom Osmo. So this is actually a liquidity pair, which is usually quite high risk in contrast to just staking, but you can see there's a lot of high APY potential here on Osmosis platform, and if you DeFi degens like this sort of stuff, it's definitely one for you to take a look at. So before we hop into the actual pricing, let's just take a look at some news here on OnChain Analysis. So we can see on the Bitcoin exchange deposits and withdrawals, we've got persistent decline at the moment in deposits, which means not many new unique traders or investors are getting into the space right now, because we probably need something a bit more like a brand new Bitcoin halving or something to catalyze a completely new bull market. But what is really bullish about this is that you can actually see the withdrawals is just constantly holding at this 40k level. The price doesn't really want to come too much lower than 40k. You can see we had here, but the holders, the buyers, you know, they're looking really strong. So it's reflecting that the market is potentially going to hold here, and we might see some more continuation to the upside. So at the moment, Osmosis is trading at rank 46 with a 3.1 billion market cap. You can see the very small trading volume in contrast to the market cap itself, and the circulating supply is about 30% of the fully max supply, which you know, gives a fully diluted market cap of 10.2 billion should that happen. I don't know what the tokenomics are. I don't know how they release this particular coin, but it looks really good on the macro scale. 30 days are up 35%, 7 days are up 27%, 24 hours we're up 14% there, so it looks super good. Now what's happened is this must be some sort of exchange listing that I'm not aware of on the 23rd of December, but for the last 3 months we've been trading in this ascending triangle. We broke through that 20-day moving average, and what happened here, obviously the ascending triangle, we had a massive daily pump to $12.50, and there must have been a lot of sell orders around this particular area, exactly where the previous swing high was in the 16th of January. You can see on this graph here, this actual diagram shows you that 62% of the cases exit bullish on ascending triangles, 75% of cases of the expected triangle position also leads to a continuation pattern to the upside. So maybe we can find support here at $10.50, and if this can prove to be a support, which is now just written in as support, very volatile, we might see a bit of continuation to the upside when we retest this $10.3 support zone, and then we can perhaps see continuation to that $12.4 target. So really for me, because if you go onto the 1 hour, it just looks very noisy. You just see a lot of these giant wicks. It doesn't look too good. And we were overbought on the RSI on that 80 RSI here on the hourly time frame, but it looks like we're seeing that rollover, and I think what that was is a lot of orders getting triggered. So again, it looks very good because the buying pressure here, selling pressure here. So this is the equilibrium price right here at $10.10. So hopefully we can see consolidation before movement to the upside. Of course, we do have a support level down here, also at $8.60 and along this horizontal support, but it looks like we're going to see a pump or continuation now to the upside, something like this, a retest and then a retest of the $12.4 particular level. So really bullish outlook for the future. I mean, the market cap is just 3.1 billion, so potential 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5x is possible for the future for this particular project looks really, really bullish. So if you're new here, guys, make sure you do actually jump into the Discord channel whilst it's still open. You can also consider becoming a patron. It's the price of a coffee. You receive this awesome ebook here, premium Discord access, one-on-one messaging, and also an increased chance to win at the giveaways, which will be starting very soon on this channel. So if you want to support, you're very much welcome, and the least you could do is just smash the subscribe button as well. So this is Osmosis. Let me know your thoughts. I think it's got potential good growth for the future. Relatively stable market cap. You can see the volatility isn't too high. There's not too many people trading it, but at the moment, what's interesting as well is it's only really available on a few exchanges. So what happens when it's available on Coinbase, on Binance, on Crow, all these other major exchanges? Now that's going to be very important, and that's one thing that I am looking ahead for in the future. So keep an eye out on Osmosis. Of course, you can just simply hold the project on the website anyway through your wallet, but it's always nice if there's a trading pair or something like that on the exchanges as well, because then you can go long and you can use leverage trading, isolated cross trading, or whatever you might be keen to do. So that's a little video here on Osmosis. Hope you enjoyed the content. See you in the next one.